Hello friends, this is your Patel Parth and welcome to my channel again. Here and today we are going to make this beautiful part. This is called the bolt and we will make this part with the help of the three commands. First one is extrude, then the two command. First one is extrude, then the swept cut. Okay, so how to make it? So we will make it. Okay, first we have to make this head, then after this extrude part, and in the last one we are going to make this cut with the help of this swept cut. Okay, so first we make the head of the bolt. You can select the any plane. I'm just to select the front plane and the sketch view. I select this polygon command, here the 6 hexagon, because the head is always has a 6 side, so that's why I selected it. 100 mm the radius of this hexagon. You can change the dimension from this smart dimension. Then click to extrude command. I provided the 50, not 50, around the 30. Get the 30 mm thickness of this head. Then I'll have to make this extrude boss. So I select this face as a plane. Okay, and here again the right click to select a sketch. It's around the 25 mm radius. You can change the dimension from here. Okay. Okay. Then again click on the extrude command. Here I'm going to provide the thickness of it. Here you can also drag from here. Okay, so our half portions of the part is ready, but the main thing is this thread. You can also see the thread of this bolt. Okay, the thread is very important and we are going to make this thread. Our the intention is to make a thread, and my intention is to provide the knowledge about the swept cut. So first, this has some kinds of this small procedure to make this kind of cut, means this kind of to making a thread. For making a thread we have to provide the two kinds of the profile. First one is profile and the second one is the path. And this swept cut also has some kind of the specification to generate a swept cut. The first one is to generate the profile and the second step is to make a path. Okay, so first we are going to generate a path from this helical curve, because here you can see this is the helical curve. So we are going to make first path and then we make the profile. So click on it, then normal, then again click on sketch, come to the sketch and convert entity. Click on the just this edge and it convert into the entity, means it's convert into the circle. When you click on this, it's highlighted at here. Okay. Then go for the helical curve. Okay, it's generated at here. You can see the helical curve is generated. Here I'm going to increase the revolution. Okay. 19 revolution, totally the 19 revolution you can see at here, and the pitch is 10 mm. The clockwise direction, you can also provide the counterclockwise direction. but here I'm provide the clockwise direction. Then we have to make the of uh, path for the swept cut, because I told you it need the two kinds of the specification. So I'm going to select the top line, then sketch. Here I'm going to select or draw the one circle at here, 3 mm radius, and you have to draw the circle when this curve is start. Okay, otherwise when you make like at here at the half portion of the curve, so you cannot get this swept cut. Then for operating this command you have these two things. Okay, then click on swept. So these are the sketches by default selected. Then we have to select the path. I told you it need the path and the profile. So I'm going to select the profile. Here you can see how it's make. Okay. Then okay, so you can see how the thread is generated at here. And then lastly we have to provide just only the color of it, whole body I provided. Then provide the red color for just only this aspect. Okay, how it's look like, it's look like in the beautiful way. Okay, so thank you so much. Please share and subscribe my channel.